Hi, here in this lesson, we want to illustrate how to use Excel statistical libraries to compute descriptive statistics of data. In order to do so, we need to verify that the statistical libraries are installed. All right, let's click on File and select Option. And here, select Add-in, Analysis Toolpack, and click on Go. All right. So here we need to check Analysis Toolpack. Analysis Toolpack for VBA is not really needed, but we can check both if we want to. Now, to verify that the Analysis Toolpack libraries are loaded, let's click on Data and check that we have the Data Analysis tab. Since we see the Data Analysis tab, it means that the Data Analysis Toolpack libraries are fully loaded. Let's click on that. And here we need to select descriptive statistic. We want to compute descriptive statistic of the data. In the input range, we select the data. Let's select it with the label, the growth weight. Now here, since I selected it with a label, I must check here to tell Excel that I have a label on the first row. The output range is where the output will go to. In order to select the output range, we need to check in the output range window to make sure that the cursor is blinking there. Once the cursor is blinking there, we can come anywhere. Let's, for example, put it here, select an area where we want the result to go to. Let me go back and select that. Let's go back here and select area where the output will go to. If the area we selected is not big enough, it will make an area around it to put the result. So since we selected the output range, now we can select summary statistics. Let's just check all of them and then click OK. As you can see, it returned descriptive statistic for the growth weight data. The first one is the mean. The second one is the standard error, which is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. Then the next one is the median, 64.3. The mode is NA, meaning that the data doesn't have a mode. As you can see, no observation is repeated. Then it computed the standard deviation, the sample variance, the kurtosis, which is a measure of how heavy is the tail of the distribution, the skewness, which is a coefficient measuring if the data is skewed. For example, if the data is positively skewed or skewed right, the skewness coefficient will be positive. If it's negatively skewed or skewed left, it will be negative. If the data is not skewed, the skewness will be about 0. It computed the range. The range is just the maximum data point minus the smallest data point minus the minimum. So the range is 52.2. And then the sum of the data, the number of data points, there are 15 data points. The largest and the smallest. So this is one way to obtain descriptive statistic by way of the statistical libraries contained in data analysis.